How to replace your screen protector. I got this at Walmart for $7. Oh, look at that. It's for an iPhone XR, which is my phone. If you don't know which phone you got, you go to settings. You go to your name, and this phone says this phone XR. So that's how you know which screen protector you need to get. And this one is an iPhone XR. This one is pretty cool. It's a mirror glass screen protector. So when the screen is on, you don't see the mirror. When you lock the screen, it actually turns into a mirror. And I bought this at Walmart for $8. It's called the Mirror Glass Screen Protector. Touchscreen and 3D touch compatible. Mirror reflects when screen is off and disappears when the screen is on. It's easy application. And what's in the box? Mirror Glass Screen Protector. Clean and white microfiber cloth. Application tabs. Hold the phone. And we're gonna see if that's what they gave us in here. And we're gonna show you how to do it. Just like the pros. First, check if it's broken. Sometimes they send broken stuff. Pretty good. Now, before you even peel it off, make sure it's gonna line up. This one does. And you got your cleaning wipe, the wet one and the dry one. And you got your fiber cloth to make sure you clean the screen off first. Oh, let's take that off. So you start by taking the old one out. Crack, snap, crackle, pop. That's that. Take the cleaning wipe, the wet one. Oh, I'm playing while I'm cleaning my phone. Changing the screen. Take the wet one. You wipe it down. Oh, nice. Till it's clean. I'm gonna see how dirty my phone was. Look at that. Not too bad. It's because I clean it every day. See? Now you take the dry one. Make sure it's dry, otherwise it's not gonna adhere to your screen too properly. So make sure it's dry. Then you take it. Peel it. It's only one way it peels, and that's the back. See, that's the sticky part. It'll tell you. It says back. So now this is where you gotta have a steady hand. So line it up. Ready? Got a good picture? I think I got the wrong one. Yeah, this one's a little small, but it'll get the job done. Uh-oh. It's a little crooked, but it'll work. I'm happy with it. I don't care what she's doing. Oh, it can still come off. So let's try this again. We got some haters in the background. Always hating. I don't know why I married her. There, that's better. Now look at that. No, now let's turn it off. Well, it's not actually a mirror, but close enough.
They're exposing the cameraman. See nothing.
And that's all.